For today's Footwork Friday, I am teaching this really popular twist move that I just know has a name, but I don't actually know it. It's a simple move that has a couple variations to challenge you, and we'll explore those in future videos. We're going to start off with your feet in the T position, similar to the T-stop. From here, get a good bend in the knees and we'll be hopping first to the left. We'll hop in the direction of whichever foot is in front. When we hop, we are getting on all 4 back wheels to complete the turn. We'll land in just 90 degrees, and with the foot that was in front, we'll step out first, then step back to be the back foot of the T. And you repeat to the other side. Bent knees always to help us, and on all 4 back wheels, and that's it. The hardest part for me is turning on those back wheels, but with a deep knee bend and having my upper body help me with the hop makes it a lot easier. Make sure you move your hips in the direction you're going. That's it for this week. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in again next week for the next video. See you then.